my channel. So jumping straight into this video, like always, got a new unit from Hairvivi, y'all, and this may be the prettiest colored unit that I have ever tried on. Okay, like this color job is amazing. Okay, and the hair is soft, it's not crunchy. I know I always talk about that with blonde hair, but it is soft. Okay, so jumping straight in, I'm gonna go ahead and put my holy wig cap on. Doesn't matter because they have the wig cap already sewn into the wig. I just need this to hold my hair in place. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of foundation to my hairline just so the black shadow doesn't show underneath the lace, y'all. But the lace on this unit looks so freaking good. Just give me a second. Once I get this unit on, I'm going to show y'all that you're not even going to be able to tell that the lace is like on my forehead. Like, where is it? And go ahead and ignore that big black bag in my hallway, y'all. I've been cleaning out my closet and I didn't even know that you could see it. So yeah, it's 3 of them in there actually, but you just see one. So ignore that. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my lace, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of a wax stick just to get rid of any flyaways in the front, and I'm gonna just shape that back and use a brush to brush it back. And then I'm going to be applying the EBIN Redken lace spray today.
Yeah. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me?
Okay, so wig is secure, so I'm going to go ahead and tie it down for a bit just so I can let it really set. And I'm going to go ahead and straighten it while I have it tied down. So I'm going in with this Care heat protectant. It's also like a light shine spray that's not oily. So I'm just going to spray this all over, and I'm going to start in the back, obviously, and work my way up. These are my Baby Bliss Titanium Prima flat irons. I believe that's what they're called. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below, y'all. I've been having these for years, and they are still my favorite. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and straighten the back regular, and then once I get to the top, I'll show you guys how I get my unit super flat, because this one was definitely like elevated at the top and I hate when it has that hump. So once I get to the top area, kind of like what would be your leave out if you were doing the middle part in a weave, this is when I start to really flatten out the roots, because this is where it gets puffy, where the lace is. So you can go in with a wax stick or you can use the Lotta Body Mousse. The wax stick was next to me, so that's the one that I'm using today. I just place a little bit on the roots. You don't want to go too heavy because you don't want your whole head to get greasy. So yeah, I just place it on the roots and I go in with my pressing comb and I'm really like pressing it against my hair. You don't want to hold it for too long because the steam or the heat, whatever, will get you and burn your scalp. So you just want to press it down and make sure you're really flattening out the roots. And then you can also take the flat iron, not the flat iron, the pressing comb, and kind of turn it a bit and use like the back of the pressing comb to really get those roots really flat. And then I'm just going to go in with the flat iron and straighten it out.
Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show
same routine section by section until I'm finished. First, I go in with the wax stick, then I go in with the pressing comb, and then I go in with my flat irons and a rat tail comb to make sure it's super smooth, and that's it. Literally getting it super duper flat.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
So one side completely done, and look at the difference, okay? So I did the exact same thing on this side, you guys, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take the scarf off. Well, it decided to take itself off, so I ended up taking it off, and I'll show you guys how flat it is. But then I decided that I wanted to pluck it a little bit more. Now that I'm looking at the video, it's not necessary. Like, it looked fine, but me being me, I just had to pluck the front a little bit more, so that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
So no baby hairs again today, and this is pretty much the final look, you guys. I got it so freaking flat. Like, this bob is bomb, okay? Looks so freaking good. So I'll have all the information and details for everything I use, including coupon codes and links down below in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.